All right, guys. Quick Tech Tip Tuesday today with Jackstand.
So you know how they make these adapter flanges where it goes from a smaller pipe to a bigger pipe?
At Motion Raceworks.
Yeah. Get them at motionraceworks.com, link below. You always end up snipping them down. 9 times out of 10, you guys who do some fab work have almost lost a finger or two trying to cut this by hand in the bandsaw. So as you can see, we already cut this side. The little trick is take the same diameter piece of scrap pipe you have, and you simply just tack weld it to it, and then you can hold it in your bandsaw, chop saw, whatever you're using to cut it, without losing a finger. You can clamp it down in there and let the saw cut for you. So that's what we're going to do here. We got to snip down this 2.5 side. So we're going to tack it just like that. Now we're going to have a place to clamp it, and our cut's going to be out here. Straight cut, and I'm going to keep all 10 fingers.
All 9 fingers.
Yeah, all 9.
Because you learned the hard way the first
Yeah,
time.
learn the hard way right here. That's good.
So you guys can see now you can hold it with the vise.
Yeah, now the vise is doing the work of holding it.
Yep.
My fingers stay intact, and it's ready to cut.